In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple photos in Facebook Story. Now, in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and click the home button here. After doing so, we're going to create a new story, and then we can just go ahead and choose, say, one photo, for example. So I'm going to try this one right here. All right, now that we are, music, let's go ahead and delete that one. Alright, now that we have our first picture here, we're going to go ahead and add more. So to do that, what we are going to do is just click the stickers here, and then you have there the gallery icon. So go ahead and click that one. Now you can go ahead and try to scroll and choose the other few photos that you want to upload. So I'm going to try this one, for example. There you go. And yeah, you can go ahead and basically resize this one. Just go ahead and hold it using your two hands. The same thing for the first photo, by the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to put it here, basically just rearranging these here. Alright, now I'm going to add one more. I'm going to put here. So I'm going to repeat the same process. Just tap this one, tap the gallery, and then go ahead and choose your photo. So I'm going to go ahead and try to choose this one, for example. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and put it here, just like so. Now, if you are satisfied with this one, just go ahead and tap the share button right here. There you go. Now you can see your photo being uploaded. And basically that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.